How to withdraw crypto from Revolut to external wallet. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can withdraw your crypto from Revolut to external wallet using your phone. So first step, you just have to open your Revolut app and tap on the crypto section. Then select the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then send it using the send button. Then choose send externally. Next up, you just have to paste the wallet address of your external wallet. Make sure that it matches the crypto type. For example, only send BTC to a BTC wallet. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Revolut may ask you to verify your identity or enter a security code. So make sure crypto withdrawals are enabled on your account. Revolut requires identity verification and may limit this in some regions. Now, once everything is done and once everything is confirmed, just have to tap on withdraw and you're done. The crypto will be sent to your external wallet. It may take a few minutes depending on your network. And now you have successfully withdrawn crypto from Revolut to external wallet. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.